If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Zomato, follow these steps to gain access to your account securely. Step 1. Open the Zomato app or website. Launch the Zomato application on your mobile device or visit the Zomato website on your computer. Ensure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to the login page. Navigate to the login section of the app or website. Enter your registered email address or phone number and click on the login button. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. If you are unable to log in due to two-factor authentication issues, look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and click on it. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 4. Follow recovery instructions. You will receive an email or SMS with instructions to reset your password. Follow the link provided in a message and create a new password for your account. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. Once you have successfully logged in with your new password, go to the account settings. Locate the two-factor authentication option and set it up again using your preferred method, such as SMS or an authentication app. By following these steps, you can reset your two-factor authentication and secure your Zomato account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zomato's customer support for further assistance.